Dear students, this is the third part of the lecture Functions of Advertising. In our lecture, we have already discussed or we have already seen four advertising functions in our previous parts. One was identifying brands and products. Then we saw providing information to consumers. Then another function we saw is persuading consumers to purchase. And then we saw previewing new trends. In this part, we are continuing the discussion relating to the functions of advertising, and the fifth function of advertising that I want to discuss with you is generating product demand. The demand generated by advertising and other sales promotions pulls the goods or services through channels of distribution. I think you all know about channels of distribution because in marketing we have studied that the channel of distribution is the path through which a product travels or passes from the point of manufacturing to the point of consumption. That is, then there are different channel intermediaries like manufacturer, CNF, wholesaler, retailer, etc. So in this particular channel, when there is advertisement, there will be creation of demand, and the consumers, they become aware about the product or the service they demand, and therefore they pull the product in the distribution channel. One of the powerful functions of advertising is to generate consumer demand for specific products and services and ideas, and this can be generated through ad campaigns, and these ad campaigns are generally targeted to specific target audience, and when the advertisement is proper and it is attractive, and the targeted group of consumers, they are most likely to buy the products. Another function of advertising is building customer base. So consistent quality advertising increases consumer loyalty for a product, service or idea. Advertising seeks to maintain the current customer base by reinforcing purchasing behavior with additional information about the benefits of the products or the brands. So when there is advertisement, the existing customers, they also get certain information, and they also come to know that the product is good compared to many other competitors, and sometimes they upgrade also to the upper version of the product which they have already purchased. So thereby the advertisements, they also help in building a customer base. And the third function of advertising is displaying competitive pricing. So advertising displays consumer goods with competitive prices relative to the current market, and thus educates the consumers about what things they are purchasing and what are the genuine price of those items. Advertising lets the consumers know what the competition is doing when the next sale they are going to, when the next purchase they are going to make. And advertisements also sometimes give information regarding what type of discounted price or what type of price benefits they can get from the products which is advertised. So these are three important functions of advertising, in addition to the functions that we have already discussed. Thank you.